Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. So, first of all, I have to apologize for the short little absence I had from my YouTube videos and stuff. So, I've just been like super busy and super stressed out like these past couple of weeks. I know I haven't uploaded like any new content at all for YouTube in like at least 2 weeks, so I'm really sorry about that, but I'm gonna try my best to get back into the habit. I got a bunch of cool new stuff. I got like a little tripod. I got a what's it called, a ring light, and a very cool flashlight to show off some of my caps. So bouncing off of that, I got a UV flashlight and it reacts with some of my keycaps. So I'm just gonna make like a short, casual, like fun kind of video today. Not really so much for a review, more of like a whoa, look at this. So anyways, this is the UV flashlight I bought. Bought it off of Amazon, super cheap. And basically when I shine this, it has like a very weird like blue, white, purple kind of light and a bunch of LEDs on it. And so basically, when you shine this on something that is created with like a UV reactive like paint or ink or whatever, it makes it glow up as well as like almost like invisible ink. It like you can see stuff on there that like is not normally shown when you're like looking at it, in normal light. And it basically means that it's just reacting to like ultraviolet light. And yeah, it'll like just show up in like a bunch of cool and different colors. So while I'm sure like a bunch of people already know this, I am sure that there's like a bunch of newbies out there who don't really know that a bunch of keycaps do have that kind of stuff in them that makes them UV reactive. So if you shine a light over them, they'll start glowing up and stuff. It's really cool. And, kind of like an Easter egg for anyone who didn't know that. So if you were unaware of that until now, go ahead and borrow or buy yourself a flashlight, shine it on your cap, and watch it, just show up in a different colorway. So anyways, I'm not going to go over all of my keycaps today because, I want to keep it a short, fun little video. But I am going to show you guys some of my favorite things. So I'm going to be showing off like maybe like around half of my collection because there are a few videos coming up that I won't spoil for you, but let's just say I'm going to have to make a two-part video. So anyways, I am going to flash my light upon this little macro pad here. A macro pad is basically a tiny keyboard that is fitted for like maybe, I want to say like 1 to 10 keys at most. And you can either function it or program it to function as like different stuff. So let's say I play like a music rhythm game and it's very simple, only requires a certain amount of commands. Maybe I won't want to like be reaching over onto my keyboard and have the chance of like messing up, so maybe I'll program this to like one certain button that you need and this for another. So that's what macro pads are for. They're just handy dandy little tiny keyboards for stuff that you want to do separately. So anyways, I'm going to take my flashlight and shine it upon these guys. So what I have on here today is a Corby by Tiny Makes Things, a Meow Cap by Key Collective, a Fubsy by Sody Caps, a Cross Cap by Death Caps, and then a Mini Reaper and Ariete by DC Caps. So let's see if these shine up or not. Ooh, so hopefully the camera can catch it, but this cross cap right here is very UV reactive. I'm shining my light on it, and the top, which is normally like a, I want to say like a milkshake kind, strawberry milkshake pink, is shining up almost like a bright highlighter pink. Only the top layer is shining at the moment, but it's still very cool. And then these other keycaps don't really have anything on them that would make them shine. So these are not very UV reactive, but this one is. So a very cool little find right there. And now let me take some more keycaps. This is a evil box. It is basically a storage box for Artisan keycaps. And don't make the same mistake I'm doing, because sometimes like I'll want to like hold it up and like tilt it a little to show for like videos or like video calls and stuff, and they all just like spill out. So I'm just gonna gently hold the box up like this. Hopefully you'll be able to see this. Oh, speaking of seeing stuff, this camera that I'm using is actually a DSLR camera, not the regular GoPro that I've been making videos with. So hopefully the camera quality will be a tiny bit better, hopefully. So anyways, I'm going to take my flashlight and shine it upon these guys, and wow. So first caps I shine it on are very UV reactive. So this top one right here, this is a Gengar by Bob Caps, Keycaps. And normally it is a very translucent like cotton candy pink, but now it is shining in almost like an orangey kind of pink, if I don't know, but it still looks very cool. And then this cap right here, the Cloud Cap by Amidst the Clouds, is shining up so well. I'm actually going to take it out of the box for you guys to see. So let me just grab it right here, and ba-boom, look at that. The blue is lighting up like a Christmas tree. It is honestly so crazy looking at this like in person. So hopefully it'll show up on the camera. If not, you know, I apologize for that. I'll try my best to take some pictures. But yeah, this is so crazy. It's like such a crazy, like radical, like neon blue color. It's not even like a neon blue color. It's almost as if like I had a RGB light underneath it, you know? It's so cool. The white's not really like UV reactive, only the blue is, but it's still a very nice touch. And ooh, this one is very cool. So this is the theyre by Prime Caps. It is in the colorway Neon Frenzy, and when you take a flashlight to this, it becomes so sick. Oop, hold on, let me try and hold this. I'm actually in the process right now of getting a I don't know what to call it, like kind of like a stand for my keycaps, or I don't know, like a very long stick with like a stem at the end of it to be able to like hold up keycaps better. So thanks so much to my man Cypher Bear for working on that for me. Can't wait to see it. So anyways, if you look at this, the theyre lights up beautifully. The normally red color on here shines up as a very, very bright, almost orange color, and then the blue lights up as well. It looks so nice. Like, obviously it's made for like a laser colorway, and you know, very fitting. You know, it looks almost like the theyre has lasers coming out of it because that's how bright it is. And I have like so many goodies here in this box that I like don't want to show everything, but I kind of do want to show everything. You know, I want to make sure that I have like more content for like later videos and such. So anyways, this right here is a blank by Keycaps. And you know what, this is really nice because it's not like the resin paint or the resin dyes that are lighting up, but it is the actual heart glitter that is shining up. So you can see right there, normally looks like a very shiny, like metallic-y, holographic pink and blue, but when you shine your light on it, it becomes like a highlighter pink color. So it's very super cool. I love it. And let's see. Oh, this one's very nice. So this is the Reactive by a collab between Keycaps and Hungerworks Studio. So as you can see, this has a flurry of colors. It is a bright bubblegum pink mixed along with a, I want to say like an orangey red color, a teal and some yellow, but when you shine the flashlight UV on it, it becomes an entirely new colorway. Like, it literally looks like an entirely different cap. See, it becomes like this banana yellow color with like a very bright orangey pink. It is the sickest thing ever. So I'm very happy with this cap. Like, I honestly have kept shining my flashlight on it throughout, like, you know, the whole day and stuff, because it looks so cool. Doesn't that look so cool? I don't know. I just think it's like, it's so trippy, like, looking at the caps and seeing them become like an entirely new colorway. Because, like, I don't know, it feels like you got like an entirely new cap. Like, oh, why would I need to spend money on like a new colorway when I got like a different colorway right here, you know? Ooh, okay, this is a very fun one. So this is the Watcher by Ritual Master in the colorway SOL. It is a black cap with a like almost like a white like what is it called? I don't know, I forgot the word. Blindfold, a white blindfold on top of it. But when you shine it, look at its eyes. They like light up almost as if it was like a cat peering at you in the night, you know? So cool. Hopefully the camera catches this. If not, as I said, I'll take pictures. Let me see. Oh, okay, this is another very cool one. So this is the Bongo Cap by, you know what? I'm not going to show it. I'm going to save this. Because, you know, I have, like, caps that I haven't reviewed yet right here in this box. And, you know, I don't want to entirely give away, you know, what I'm going to be reviewing. So, I'm going to leave that for a future episode. Oh, okay, this was one that I've covered. This is the Baphomet by Sludge Kid in the colorway Enchanted Jade. When you look at it, it just looks like a very, like, one-dimensional, like, you know, green, like, jade color, hence the colorway name. But when you shine your light on it, it becomes a marbly boy. Look at that. Isn't that so cool? It becomes, like, marbled with, like, a very neon green kind of color. It looks very cool. Like, when you look at it, you don't really expect much, but when you light it up, ba-boom. Look at that. So cool. And then, here's another cap that I absolutely love, because sometimes, artists do make keycaps with, like, the whole keycap is UV reactive, but sometimes it's just, like, you know, in a little tiny spot as kind of like a little treat, you know? And this is one of them. This is the Daffy by Chad or Bad and Bushkis, and this one the eyes light up, so it looks very cool. It's very fitting to the Quackula theme right here. Let's see, what else do I have here to show you guys? I have a bunch of caps here that I have not reviewed yet. Oh, you know what? Here is one. This is the Oculata by, once again, Mr. Deathcaps. This is a very monochromatic looking black and green colorway, but when I shine my light on it, it becomes like a frenzied, like, neon highlighter green. Absolutely looks wonderful under UV lights. I believe Mr. Deathcaps is known for, like, having a bunch of his work with UV reactive paint, so super cool. I absolutely love the way it looks. And let me see, do I have any other goodies for you guys? You know what, that's all the keycaps I have to show for today without, like, you know, spoiling any future videos. So, like I said, just a short and sweet video. Hopefully you guys just like seeing those little Easter eggs, so hopefully it wasn't too boring of a video, but yeah, that was my little coverage of these keycaps. So, you know, I just wanted to make a short and sweet video, not too many keycaps to cover, because I do want to have keycaps for future videos that I'm making. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. You know, any feedback is very much appreciated. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.